Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started today, which is March 20th, and they are good up until Saturday, March 26th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. So in this transaction, I picked up some big razors, some Airwick twin scented oil warmers, some Gain laundry detergent, Colgate toothpaste, and a Colgate toothbrush. Also, you guys, I will have a Google document linked in the description box below, just in case you guys would like to print that out and take it to the store with you if you plan on doing some of these deals. So let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and I purchased 2 of these big Soleil razors, and these are buy one, get one 50% off. They are priced at Walgreens for $6.79. One will ring up at $6.79. The second one will ring up half off at $3.39. So $6.79 plus $3.39 is $10.18. We do have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $10.18 minus the $6 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $4.18. And then the deal is also when you buy 2, you will receive back $2 in Walgreens cash rewards. So $4.18 minus the $2 in Walgreens cash rewards, that will bring your total down to $2.18. And then IBOTTA has a rebate for $3 back when you buy 2. So $2.18 minus that $3 that I received from IBOTTA, that made both of these razors completely free plus an 82-cent moneymaker. So this is a really nice, easy freebie to do this week at Walgreens. That I use a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. So next up, I went ahead and I grabbed a total of 6 of the Airwick twin scented oil warmers. And these are buy one, get one 50% off at Walgreens. The regular price is $7.49. So when you buy one will ring up at $7.49. Your second one will ring up half off at $3.74. So $7.49 plus $3.74 is $11.23. We do have a buy one get one free digital coupon on the Walgreens app, and that coupon will take off a total of $6.50. So $11.23 minus $6.50, that will bring your total down to $4.73 for 2, or it'll make each one just $2.36. So I grabbed a total of 6. I used my digital buy one, get one free coupon. And then I also used 2 of these buy one, get one free coupons. And these coupons scanned perfectly fine. I had no issues at all with this coupon scanning. So $4.73 for both, or $2.36 each. Now, if you were to do this deal at Walmart, I think Walmart, they are priced at like $5 and some change. So when you used to buy one, get one free coupon, your total will come out a little bit cheaper if you were to get them at Walmart. But since I knew that I was using a digital booster, I knew that I can get them for cheaper at Walgreens. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of the Gain liquid laundry detergents. And with the Gain products this week, there are 4 for $16. We don't have any coupons on the Walgreens app, but as I stated earlier, I don't have any Gain in my stockpile, and Gain is an item that I sell in my bundles. So that's why I went ahead and stocked up on some Gain. So there are 4 for $16, and I didn't use any coupons. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste. And those are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus the $3 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $4.98. And then you will receive back that $5 in Walgreens cash rewards, which will make both of those toothpaste completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then there is also another Colgate deal, and these products are priced at $2.99. So I grabbed a Colgate toothpaste, and then I also grabbed a Colgate toothbrush. Those are priced at $2.99. So $2.99 times 2 is $5.98. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate, and then we have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate toothbrush. So that's a total of $2 in digital coupons. So $5.98 minus the $2 in digital coupons, that will bring your total down to $3.98. And then the deal is also when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So $3.98, and you will receive back that $4 registry reward, making those completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. So this is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. Now, I had 2 issues. So my first issue was that my $1 digital coupon did not come off for the Colgate toothpaste. I'm sorry, the Colgate toothbrush. The $1 digital came off for the Colgate toothpaste, but the $1 digital did not come off for the Colgate toothbrush. Not sure why. It just did not come off. And then also I was supposed to get a $4 registry reward for the Colgate and the Colgate toothpaste and the Colgate toothbrush, but that also did not print for me. So now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt really quick. So there is one Bic at $6.79, the second one half off at $3.39, and then there are all of my Airwick buy one get one 50% off. So one rung up at $7.49, the other rung up at $3.74. So there's all of those. There are all of my Gain liquids at 4 for $16. There's my Colgate at $2.99, the Colgate toothbrush at $2.99, and then my Colgate toothpaste at $3.99 each, so $7.98. I did use a $4 store coupon, and then as you guys can see, both of my $6.50 paper coupons for the Airwick came off. My $6 digital for the big razors, $3 digital for the 2 Colgate toothpaste, my $1 digital for my 3rd Colgate toothpaste, and then that is my digital for the Airwick $6.50. So as you can see, the $1 digital coupon for the toothbrush did not come off. So it brought my subtotal to $40.33. It should have been $39.33. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash rewards. But even though my subtotal is $40.33, I still have to factor in that $4 store coupon that I used. So technically my total was $44.33. And then when you look down here, I got back a total of $18.95 back. So my total came out to be $44.33. In Walgreens cash rewards, I got back $18.95. Of that $18.95, $10 came from the digital booster, get $10 when you spend $50. $5 came from purchasing 2 Colgate. The $2 came from purchasing 2 Bic. And then the $1.95 came from the extra Walgreens everyday points. So that's a total of $18.95. So $44.33 minus the $18.95 that I received in Walgreens cash, that brought my total down to $25.38. Then I contacted customer service to let her know that my $1 digital did not come off for the Colgate toothbrush. And then I also mentioned to her that I didn't receive the $4 registry reward for the Colgate toothpaste and the toothbrush. Now, as I always say, it depends on which customer service representative that you get. And she did go ahead and credit me the $4 for the Colgate toothpaste and the Colgate toothbrush. So total, I was only supposed to get back $5 from customer service, but when I checked my account, she actually gave me $6. So $25.38 minus the $6 that I got from customer service, that brought my total down to $19.38. And then I got back a total of $3.10 from IBOTTA. I got back the $3 for the big razors. And then I also had a rebate for 10 cents when I scanned a receipt. So $19.38 minus the $3.10 from IBOTTA, That brought my total down to $16.28. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and I got back 446 points, which is 44 cents. So $16.28 minus the 44 cents that I got back from Fetch Rewards, that brought my total down to $15.84 for all items. And this is a total of 16 items. So when I divide that $15.84 by 16, it makes each item just 99 cents. Now, I knew that this wasn't going to be a free transaction, and my goal was to spend less than $20 out of pocket, because these are items that I really needed to stock up on, and these are items that I also know that I can flip for profit. So even though I paid $15.84, I know that I'm going to make that back plus some profit. So that's why I didn't mind spending or making my goal to be $20 to spend out of pocket. So that is going to be it for this transaction, you guys. Remember to always coupon for whatever your coupon goals are. I could have easily done a transaction to where I got items for free, but I decided to get the items that I sell in my bundles because I have been super duper heavy on selling my bundles, and so that is just my goal right now, to just get items that I know that I can resell for profit. So if you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting from Walgreens this week. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, if you are not using IBOTTA, I will also have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.